Howdy everybody, this is Derek with Blue Cactus Dairy Goats, and this is a roll of rebar tie wire. If you have animals, most likely you use this for everything, and I'm going to show you a little trick to make this easier to use. What you're going to need is a roll of rebar tie wire, gray tape, some side snips, and a razor knife. So the first thing you do is you want to find your centerpiece, which is right there. So we're going to pull from the center when we're done, and then you're going to take your gray tape and you're just going to wrap it right over there. It doesn't matter how pretty it is, really. Just wrap that around a couple times. Now you can get rid of these wires that are holding it all together, because you got the gray tape on there, so you don't need that no more. Then, while I got my nippers, I'm going to grab that center and just pull it up so I can find it. Then you just keep wrapping it all the way around with your gray tape. Go from different angles, twist it all around there. After I've done that a little bit, I'll go around the side, time or two, flatten it all out. We'll make sure you cover all of the wire, just helps keeping dirt out of there. And then we're just gonna go around the top again, hit all the angles like so. Whenever you think you got enough on there, and that is probably enough, tear your tape off, flatten everything out. If that's not pretty enough for you, just put some more tape on there. But that's good enough for me. And you're going to find the center of that, and very carefully with your razor knife. I'm just going to cut out the center. And get that off of there. Voila! Then you can pull this out and use what you need. You can shove a little extra back in there, and this makes using it so much easier in a ranch setting. If you were doing this on a concrete crew or something, there's a tool belt and a tool belt that comes for this. But most of the time you just need this to fix a gate or to fix something real quickly, and it's just so much easier to just grab this, grab your tie pliers, and go out there and finish that. And it just makes life so much easier. So there you go. Hope that helps. We will see you all again soon.